Welcome to the Indiana College Cost Estimator, www.indianacollegecosts.org. I'm going to call it the ICCE for short from here on out, though. This is a comprehensive college selection, admissions, and financial aid website that was designed specifically for Hoosiers in mind. It's licensed by the Indiana Commission for Higher Education and is powered by the National Center for College Costs. Today, we're going to take a brief tour of the home page. As you can see up in the top right corner, there's a language translation button. You can translate this website into 52 different languages. For instance, we'll translate it into French, and you can see how quickly the website translates. And for sake of this demo, we'll go back to English. There we go. Also in the top right corner is a Contact Us button. Lilly Endowment and Independent Colleges of Indiana have given the National Center for College Costs a grant to wrap our services around the entire state of Indiana. That means that if you're a student or family who lives in Indiana, or you're a non-Indiana resident who attended a high school in Indiana, you can benefit from our services for free. One of the newest features of the ICCE is the chat feature. Whenever this button says online, you'll have the ability to chat with a live staff member at the National Center for College Costs, again, for free. Now, let's go back to the home page. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the upcoming events. This calendar on the home page gives you a snapshot of a few of the closest upcoming events in Indiana. And if you click on See All Upcoming Events, you'll be taken to the complete calendar for the year. As you'll see, there's a College Go Week kickoff, various college fairs in different regions around the state, SAT and ACT test dates, and a lot more. We encourage you to go back to that calendar all throughout the year because dates are added all year long. Next up on the home page are the three icons at the bottom. The first one is the mobile app. The ICCE mobile app is a new feature of the tool and allows you to take the ICCE wherever you go, on your iPhone or tablet. Get full access. The registration icon takes you to the registration form where you can sign up as a client. Signing up as a client means you can save your estimators when you go into the calculator, and you can also subscribe to our monthly newsletters, to Ask the Expert sessions, which are focused webinars on relevant college admissions, selection, or financial aid topics, or you can also sign up for important reminders, such as the reminder of the Indiana March 10th FAFSA deadline. And remember, the FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid. The third icon is the View the High School timeline. It outlines suggested steps you can be taking from grades 9 to 12 to prepare yourself for college. It also has links that take you deeper into the ICCE, such as the College Visit 101 Tour Tips document, or the SAT and ACT page. As you may have noticed on the home page, there's a large Click Here to Begin button. This takes you into the calculator part of the website. The calculator allows you to enter demographic and financial and academic information in order to generate an expected family contribution, or EFC. Once you do that, you can go calculate college costs for Indiana colleges. You can also compare up to 3 colleges at one time. And you can do what-if scenarios to see what if your SAT test scores change, or your ACT test scores, or your GPA, and how that affects institutional merit and need-based aid at different colleges. But for now, we're going to skip that section, and we're going to come back to it in a later video. For now, let's look at the left-hand column. These are the different content sections of the ICCE that help you better understand the college selection, admissions, and financial aid topics. The sections are Calculate Your College Costs. This is another way that you can get into the calculator part of the website. Understand the financial aid process. Learn where the money is. Discover ways to save for college. Explore Indiana colleges. Research other planning steps. And see the top 10 list. And with that, we're now at the end of the home page of the Indiana College Cost Estimator. I invite you to come back to www.indianacollegecosts.org to explore this site in more depth. Thank you and have a great day.